Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Nebula for indie creators, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Nebula website. On the homepage, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the required criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the required field. Once your email and password are set, look for the Create Account button. Click on that button to proceed. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and look for the verification message from Nebula. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, you will be redirected back to the Nebula site. Now, you will need to select a subscription plan. Review the available subscription options, typically monthly or yearly. Choose the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on it. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Provide the required payment details securely. Once entered, double-check the information for accuracy. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is active. Now you can explore Nebula and its offerings as an indie creator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.